found it extremely amazing. I mean, the dancers were absolutely nice, very well done, very like professional.
I really like the show. The show is amazing, and there is a lot of effort done behind the scenes. I'm sure of that. I really like how they are dancing, and the music was really great.
It's difficult. I cannot say that. I cannot explain even with words because you need to see it. It's just simply wonderful. Okay, amazing. You know, the word amazing.
Saya speechless dan satu kata saja, spektakuler. Selamat.
I just can say 2 thumbs up for them.
Keren banget panggung Krida Loka.